Our world may have changed, but our heart remains the same. At UNICO 2087 Hotel Riviera Maya, the safety and well-being of our guests and team members have always been at the forefront of everything we do. Now more than ever, we remain committed to providing a one-of-a-kind experience that meets the highest standards of cleanliness and sanitation through our enhanced SAFE plan. From daily temperature readings, personal protective equipment, 24/7 medical assistance, and reinforced hygiene protocols such as hand washing, we've equipped our team members with impeccable training and measures to protect themselves and our guests. Your journey through modern Mexico begins with a thoroughly disinfected transfer vehicle equipped with your own face mask and hand sanitizing gel. While you may not see our smiles, you'll definitely feel our team's warm hospitality. Your luggage will be carefully disinfected upon arrival while you make your way through the lobby, where you'll find that every touch point has been thoroughly disinfected, complete with sanitizers throughout the hotel, and strategically placed signs as a reminder to keep appropriate physical distance. At UNICO 2087, we want this to feel like you're home away from home. World-recognized standards are used to clean all common areas, elevators, and guest rooms, with an emphasis on high-contact surfaces such as faucets, phones, door handles, furniture, and more. Dining with us is a multi-sensory adventure, and we will continue to ensure your experience is nothing short of that. High-contact services such as buffets have been eliminated from restaurants, but will be replaced with additional a la carte dining. Restaurant menus are available through the hotel's app and on one-time use disposable handouts to minimize exposure and contact. We're placing an emphasis on guest and employee hygiene and will continue to follow our highest standards of food safety. Pool and beach chairs will be cleaned between every use and spaced out to ensure appropriate physical distancing, so you can enjoy the warm Mexico sun while we take care of the rest. And for the ultimate UNICO experience, we will still welcome you into Esencia Wellness, with a limited capacity and enough time between scheduled appointments and fitness schedules to disinfect areas accordingly. Our team members will follow stringent protocols to ensure a pristine yet relaxing environment for your inclusions. At UNICO 2087, we continue to embrace the local, from the food and drink to the spa treatments to a selection of curated adventures, all while keeping you safe. Our local hosts can't wait to welcome you back to experience an unfiltered view of modern Mexico with us.